This is the Evans 16-inch DB1 drumhead. I got these guys for my lessons and practice kits, and they're phenomenal. They are very, not rigid, but they're strong. They're flexible. They are mesh, but they are very strong. One cool feature about these guys is this is the 16-inch one. You can take this center patch off, and it's just sticky on the back, and you can reposition it anywhere on here if you want. Or you can put it right back in the center. I've ripped these patches off on the heads and the 16-inch in particular, and it has had no problem staying put. It doesn't have any issue re-sticking back to the head when you pull it off. That's pretty cool. And this guy also has a foam ring kind of around the center. Makes it so the head doesn't get all flabby. It actually sounds like a tom head. So I have one on the floor tom here. And I'm hitting pretty hard on this guy, and it is low enough volume to where I'm not worried about disturbing my neighbors at like 12 at night, but it also has enough to it where it actually sounds like a tom, and the bottom head has resonance still. So if you're in the market for something like this, these guys are awesome. I highly recommend them.